If you can do this, literally take pictures with your phone, then this website will pay you between $0.25 to $33.82. And this is not all. This second website right here will pay you as high as $1.38 for an extra small picture that you're going to be posting on this particular website. And I'm not going to be showing you just one or two. I'm going to be showing you 12 websites where you can actually do this and get paid just by taking pictures with your mobile phone. And this third website right here will pay you between $15 and $400, right? And for extended licenses, you're going to be getting at least $100 to $10,800 directly into your pocket. Now, this fourth website has actually paid over $1 billion out to people like you who are called contributors, right? And all they have done is to take pictures with their phone and post on this particular website. So on this particular website, I had actually paid out over $1 billion. Let me blow your mind. If you come here right now, you're going to be seeing the fact that in Africa, people have actually earned over $700,000, right? And this guy right here is a confident Chukwudi, who is actually from Nigeria, and this guy has made over $7,000 on this particular website, right? Now, if you go up, you're going to be seeing people from other countries. This is one from Australia who has made over $95,000, right? You come up again, you're going to be seeing somebody from Brazil, over $600,000, right? And right here, people from the United States has made over $18.6 million, right? And keep going. This is from South Korea. She has made over $300,000, right? One of the things that I would encourage you to actually do is to sit down and watch all of these videos, right? Let me know in the comment section which platform you want me to make an elaborate video on, right? Showing you guys exactly how to make money, how to set up an account, how to do everything from start to finish on that particular website, and that will most likely be my next video, guys. Drop me in the comment section. I will read them and I'll actually chop on the one that you guys actually prefer me to make a more detailed video on. So it's important that you stay with me from beginning to end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving those stories on. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So this is the first tutorial I'm going to be looking at right here. And once you come here, it says become a deposit photo contributor and start earning with your photos. This is what I'm interested in, right? Forget illustration, forget video. This is actually added revenue. But what we're interested in this video today is just photos, right? So you can take photos with your phone basically and can get paid on this particular website. So it says simply focus on what you love doing most and discover a new way to showcase your work for extra income, right? So all you need to do is to come here and click on become a contributor and set up an account on this particular website. So once you come, you're going to put in your username, your password, confirm your password, your email address, your first name, your last name, address, right? A city, your state, right, or province, then your zip code. Now, this is actually optional. That is why it doesn't have this asterisk right here, because this is optional and this is optional. Select your country from this list. As a matter of fact, every country in the world is actually represented right here. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can select any country at all. Then put in your phone number right here and click on sign up to set up an account on this particular website, right? So who can actually join this website? Professional photographers, beginners, and amateur photographers. This is probably where you actually belong, right? You are a beginner or you're an amateur photographer. You can basically set your phone to the highest resolution. I can actually shoot these pictures with your phone. I can put it on this particular website, right? So because you're a beginner or amateur photographer, you have access to analytics, explore your content calendar, and curated. And one of the questions you guys might have is how do you get paid on this particular website? I'm going to be explaining that as we proceed in today's video. So the second website I'm going to be looking at is this particular website right here, right? And I showed you guys that you can actually sell your photos, images, and videos with Dreamstime, right? And all you need to do is to come here and click on upload file, set up an account, your name, your username, your password, all those things, the normal ritual, and that's what you need to provide. Now, you're going to come here right now, and you see that what they need is 1 gig maximum file size, right? It shouldn't be more than 1 gig, which is fine, right? Best quality compression, at least 3 megapixel resolution, right? And this is for images, okay? So you're going to come here right now and see exactly how much they pay. For images, they will pay you, for exclusive, they will pay you $1.38, right? For non-exclusive, you're going to be getting $1.25. Now, if you come here right now to subscription all-in-one, this is where you actually make a lot of money, right? This is $2, and this is a extended license subscription. You're going to be getting paid at least $14.3 US, just by this, right? And if it's 60%, you're going to be getting $26.4, right? So how do you get started? It's very simple. Once you come here, click on upload files, and it's going to bring you to this interface. And all you need to do is to click on username here, put your password right here, and click on sign in. Or you can actually click here and say sign up for free. If you don't already have an account, put in your email address, your password, and click on sign up for free. And that's all that you need to do to actually start selling your picture that you have taken with just your phone on this particular website. And the interesting thing is that you can actually sell the same pictures on all of these websites, right? So the third website is this particular one right here. Yeah. So once you come here, it says good morning, of course. Get Foap as part of the creative community, changing the face of visual media. And just go click on apply now to actually get started, right? And it's the same thing. You're going to take pictures with your phone. You're going to upload on this particular website and you get paid by doing that. So let's click on apply now. You're going to put in your first name here, your last name here, your email address, select your location. Again, this is available in every country in the world, right? Select your location and select that I'm at least 16 years of age, right? Then click on next, right? Click on next and next and next and complete the process. It is that seamless. That's seamless. Now, the fourth website is this particular website right here, which has paid out over $1 billion, to contributors like you in the past 50 years that they've been in the existence. Okay? So how it works is that you can actually share your work and start earning. It's very simple. And click on get started. Now, you need to create pictures, which is basically take pictures with your phone. That is what it means when it says create. You take pictures with your phone, that's one. Then you need to upload or by submitting these pictures to this platform. You get paid. You make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. And you can even earn more money by referring people. But this is not what we're interested in right now. What we're interested in is you taking pictures with your phone and uploading to this amazing website. It is that simple. And you can earn a part of this $1 billion that is being paid out to contributors just like you. So the sixth website is this particular website right here. This one here, you can actually sell your photos online with our custom store, transform your existing gallery or a website into a digital store. And so all you need to do is to click on sell your photos now, right? Click here and it's going to bring you to the interface that you're looking at on my screen right now. I'm going to put in your first name, your last name, your email address and get started. But the problem with this particular one is that you actually need to pay, right? Of course, I'm going to give you a free trial. So this might not be the best bet for you because you are actually looking for platforms that will not ask you for money to actually get started, right? So you might actually want to jump this unless you have a little money to pay to actually use this particular platform. So the next one is this particular platform, right? Getty Images. This one will pay you about $0.75 to $4.15 per picture that you actually sell on their platform, right? So all you need to do is just take a picture with your phone and put it on their platform, and the sales is actually managed by them. You don't need to do any promotion, okay? So, and how do you get started on this particular platform? Let me show you guys that real quick. All you need to do is to come to this particular website right now, right? So once you come here, you're going to click on apply now, where it says interested in being a contributor. You're going to click on apply now, right? And it's going to ping you to this interface. And all you need to do is set up an account, the normal ritual, right? So you basically take pictures, and do all of that and post on this particular website and start getting paid, just like that, basically. Okay? So how do you apply? Right here, you need to download the app, right, on the App Store or Google Play Store, right? I actually have this link, and I'm going to be telling you exactly how to get the link. So you don't need to come here and go and start looking for it on App Store. You might actually get the fake app or an app that is going to scam you, right? So I have the links, and I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how to actually get that link. So once you actually download the apps, right, install it on your mobile phone, you need to upload sample between 3 to 6 sample photos, right? And make sure you actually take these pictures yourself. That's exactly what this means. This picture will get reviewed, and your invite will be accepted. You get an email address accepting you into this particular website to start sharing your photos, and that's how you get paid, literally. Okay? So the next one is this particular website right here. Discover and share world-best photos, basically. So all you need to do is to come here and click on sign up, set up an account on this particular website, the normal ritual, upload your pictures, and you get paid just by doing this, right? And the next one is this website called alami.com. Now, if I come here to alami.com and click on sell, right, you're going to be seeing where it says sign up as a contributor. So that's where you need to go. So right here, you can actually set up an account and become a contributor. So you put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your phone number, your address, and all of that, right? Select that you're a photographer or you're a student. I want you to actually go with photographer, not student. It's very important that you do that, right? Click on this option now, but you can actually go ahead and fill this, right? And once you're done, click on become a contributor, and you're going to get invited, right? And you can begin to upload your pictures on this particular website. Now, the next website is this particular one right here called im.com, okay? Here you can upload and sell, get rewarded for your creativity. You are always in control of your copyrights, right? Because you actually take these pictures yourself, right? And you can click on start selling right here. And of course, set up an account. The normal ritual, you put in your email address, choose a password, and click on sign up to set up an account. And you can begin to take pictures with your phone, literally, right? And you can put it on this website. And of course, you're going to get paid just by doing that. Now, the next website is this one right here, freepic.com. You can become a contributor right here as well. You can become a contributor, set up an account. I actually use this website a lot, right? I buy a lot of pictures from this website. So I can come here, and all you need to do is to create photos, which is basically take pictures with your phone, right? Upload on this website, and you make money per every download your resource gets. It's as simple as that. This is it right here, right? Click on become a contributor and set up an account on this particular website, and the sky is your starting point, right? That's something I can assure you. Now, the next website is this particular one right here called Adobe Stock. Now, Adobe actually owns this particular website, you know, and you can click on join now to set up an account on this particular website, and you can begin to sell pictures that you've taken with your phone. It is that simple, right? So guys, if you got any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. And again, out of all these websites I've mentioned, where you can actually take pictures with your phone and get paid, what I need you to do right now is to let me know in the comment section which of these websites you want me to make a more elaborate video on, and I will sit down and record that video and put it right here on YouTube because you asked for it. Okay, so put it in the comment section. Let me know the one you're most interested in, and let's do that. Now, last but not the least is this particular platform. It's an app that is only available on the App Store, right? Apple actually owns this particular app, and guess what? You can actually sell your photos through Foap Market on Foap.com. Turn your photos into money, upload your photos collection, and sell it to well-known brands all over the world, right? And this is actually owned by Apple. So if you have an iPhone right now, this is an opportunity for you to actually make a killing just by taking pictures with your iPhone and put it on this particular website. And this is the app right here, Foap. Sell your photos, right? So like I said, I told you guys that I have access to all of these links, so you don't need to go and start browsing it and checking it out, right? So what I have done is I have curated all the links, right, of all these particular websites, including the apps, and they are all in this video description just below this video. So click on it right now and click on the right one, and it will take you to this website. Open all of them, take your time and go through all of these websites. Let me know in the comment section which one you are most interested in, right? And I will not hesitate to actually make those videos for you guys. Now, I also have a video where you can actually make money by just watching YouTube videos, and that's the video showing up right here right now. So till I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.